Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how indentation error, unindent does not match any outer indentation level. An indentation error occurs when the indentation level of your code is not consistent. This error can be caused by using a mix of tabs and spaces for indentation, or by inconsistent use of indentation levels. Here's an example code snippet that could produce this error. When you run this type of code, you will get this kind of error. In this example, the second print statement is indented with both a tab and some spaces. This can cause an indentation error because Python expects consistent indentation throughout the code. To fix the error, you can either use only tabs or spaces for indentation throughout the code. Let's run this code. Here is the output. It's generally recommended to use only spaces for indentation in Python code, as this is the standard convention. You can configure your code editor or IDE to automatically use spaces instead of tabs when you press the tab key.
Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos, which can help and assist you further.